Jack, what's the problem? Jack. Jack. What's the problem? Jack, what's wrong? Jack, what's the problem? You gotta think about it. Well, everybody else is sleeping. Why are you acting like a goof? Hmm? Why are you acting like that, Jack? Look at Cookie's sound asleep. Jack. What else is wrong? What's wrong? Oh, gross. Let's look at Cosmo for a minute. Okay. So what else is wrong? Huh? What do you want, Jack? What do you want to tell Mommy? Huh? You want treats? You want treats? Is that what you want? I think Honey does. You want a corn pop? Is that what you're asking for? Okay, there you go, Jack. It's so cute when you throw a fit. Oh. Let's see if Honey can get one. There, good girl. Jackaroo. Jack, can you say I love you? Jack. Jack. Say I love you. Jack, say I love you. Come on. No. Why don't you clean Honey's ear? She likes it when you do that. We have a staring contest? Hi, Cookie. Where's my Cookie? Yeah, there's my Cookie, Snooky. Hi, Snooky. 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 Hi, Snooky. Oh, look at the little Snooky. Isn't she cute? Oh, look at the little Snooky. Oh, so cute. My little Snooky. Oh, Honey. Hey, Honey. Honey's wagging her tail. Honey's happy. Hey, Cosmo. Uh-oh, Honey's getting up. Honey's getting up. Honey. What do you want? Honey, you want a treat? You want a treat, Honey? You speak? Come on, Honey, speak. No, I didn't say for you to say no. Speak. Oh, no. Oh, no. The dog fight. Cookie. Jack. Jack. I want to see Cookie get beaten up by Honey. You got her, huh? She's naughty. She's naughty, huh? She's a naughty girl. Oh, Cookie. Cookie. Honey bun. Jack, don't pull her by the collar. Jack! Jesus. Oh my goodness. My poor Cookie. My poor Cookie. Oh, my poor Cookie. Here, Honey. Honey. Honey.